So for week 6 discussion question 1, I'm going to go over the really quick the rules, the 6 rules for brainstorming, and then I'm going to go over some times that I brainstormed and it worked. Put judgment and evaluation aside temporarily. Turn imagination loose and start offering the result. Think of as many ideas as you can. Seek combination and improvement. Record all ideas in full view. And evaluate at a later session. So, that being said, in my career, I actually have to often brainstorm pretty much every single day. A lot of the things that I do. I am creating work orders. After you close on a house, I do a lot of work. And a lot of the time, it takes a few people to think through the entire process of a certain amount of repairs. Most recently, I had a wall that I needed to recess, and in recessing it, we took the framing, the drywall, and cut it back to half. And so it's a 2x4, so we cut that 2x4 from 4 inches down to 2 inches, and used 1/4-inch drywall. So what we had to do was think through the whole process. It was behind a refrigerator, so it had an ice maker box, electric, a whole bunch of stuff like that. And it took me and 1 or 2 other people going through the whole process of saying, okay, well, so on this day I have to get the framer there to cut out the drywall and cut that framing back. The next day I have to have the electrician and the plumber go. They got to bring shallow boxes. They got to bring shallow water boxes because it's not quite as easy. You can't fit a 4-inch or a 3-inch box into a 2-inch gap. It doesn't work. So it just takes a lot. It took a lot of brainstorming and then saying, oh, well, then we have to get drywaller in that afternoon to drywall everything back in. And then we have to get painters to come by a couple days later to paint after they go through and finish drywalling, texturing, taping. And it took 2 or 3 of us to think through the whole process, because then you got baseboard that's missing because you now have a gap that got cut back 2 inches plus an extra 1/4 inch, so you got 2 1/4 extra inches. So you got to make up for that baseboard on both sides. You have to then think about a whole bunch of other stuff. There's now tile that's missing because there was framing there, and it took 2 or 3 of us to go through the whole process and think together, okay, well, this day is this day is that, what happens if this goes wrong, what happens if these guys miss their dates, and it ended up working out in the end, and got that all taken care of. So, yeah.